Do you feel like you're doing everything right, but your manifestations are still taking forever? Are you visualizing, affirming, scripting, and still waiting for results? Are you starting to wonder if manifestation even works for you? What if I told you that it's not your techniques that are the problem? It's something you don't even know is there. In this video, I'm going to reveal the real reason your manifestations are slow and it's not what most people think. I'm going to show you the invisible blocks that are sabotaging your results, why traditional manifestation advice isn't working for you, and exactly how to clear what's in your way. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand why you've been stuck and what you can do about it. So stay with me. Hello, powerful manifestors. Welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria Gallagher, the Law of Attraction hypnotist and #1 best-selling author of Practical Law of Attraction and the creator of the Believe Hypnosis app with over 1,000 hypnosis sessions and the founder of the Powerful Manifestor Mastermind. I am here to help you tap into the power of your mind, align yourself with manifesting conditions, and successfully attract your dreams, goals, and a life you love. And if you haven't already tried it, make sure that you download my Believe Hypnosis app with over 1,000 hypnosis sessions specifically designed to reprogram your subconscious mind for success, abundance, and manifestation. Go to believehypnosis.app, and also the link is in the description below. And if you want to go even deeper with me with live hypnosis sessions, a classroom with all my manifestation training courses, and a community of powerful manifestors who actually are doing the work, come join us inside the Powerful Manifestor Mastermind on School. It's where all the magic happens, and it's where I'm getting ready to launch a special 7-day faster manifestation challenge, which starts any day now. So you can get in for a limited time on a 7-day free trial. Take the whole 7-day trial to do the challenge. And if you're ready to accelerate your manifestations, it all starts with acting quickly on the things that will actually help you to do that. So click the link in the description below. Finally, if you're ready to understand why your manifestations have been slow, how to speed them up, go ahead and hit subscribe, tap the bell, and give this video a thumbs up. I release videos almost every day that teach you how to rewire your subconscious for wealth, confidence, and flow. All right, so how long have you been working on manifesting your biggest desire? Let me know in the comments. Has it been weeks? Has it been months? Has it been years? And what is it that you are trying to manifest? Let me know in the comments. Here's what most people think when their manifestations are slow. They think, I'm not doing enough. I need to visualize more. I need to affirm more. I need to try a different technique. Maybe I need a vision board. Maybe I need to script. Maybe I should try the 369 method or the 555 method or the 777 method. So they add more techniques. They do more work. They hustle harder. They try everything that they see on social media. And you know what happens? Nothing or very little, or things move so slowly that it feels like they are not moving at all. And here's where people get stuck. They assume that the problem is with manifestation itself. And then that's why when they find me and they come to me and they tell me, I have tried everything and it doesn't work. Or maybe they feel like, well, it works, but just doesn't work for me. Maybe I'm broken. Maybe I'm not spiritual enough. Maybe I'm not vibrational enough or whatever enough. But that's not the problem. The problem is that you're blocked. And no amount of techniques is going to work when you're blocked. And it's like trying to drive a car with the parking brake on. You can press the gas pedal all you want, but you're not going anywhere fast until you release that brake. So what do I mean by blocked? What are these blocks? They're not the same thing as limiting beliefs. And that's what most people think. So, limiting beliefs, on the other hand, these are conscious thoughts like, I don't think I can make six figures. I don't believe I'm attractive enough. And these are usually on the surface level. You kind of know what they are, and you can usually identify them and work on them. But blocks, these are deeper. These are subconscious patterns that are running in the background. They are running the show. They're completely undermining everything you think, try to do without you even realizing they're there. And then that's what gives them even more power, is you not realizing that they're there. And there are seven major blocks that slow down almost anyone's manifestations. So I'm going to go over what those seven blocks are right now. So the first block is confusion. You think you know what you want, but you're actually sending mixed signals. So, on one hand, you want success, right? But then you also want to stay comfortable. You want love, but you're afraid of putting yourself out there and being vulnerable. And the universe doesn't know what to deliver because you're not sending clear signals. The second block is mental clutter. You second guess all of your decisions. You let other people's opinion cloud your knowingness. You know what you want, but you let other people kind of persuade you in a different way. You're stuck in your head instead of actually trusting yourself to do what you know to do. Block number three is needing to know how. You won't move forward until you can see the whole path in front of you. You need crystal clear certainty before you're willing to take any action at all. And that need for control blocks all the infinite possibilities that there really are from reaching you. You don't need to know the how. The how is going to get clear when you know your why and when you start taking action on what it is that you want. Block number four is unworthiness. This is a big one for a lot of people. Deep down inside, you don't really believe that you deserve to have what you want. You don't believe that you are worthy of having what you want. You know, you have that sense that this is why you keep hustling. This is why you keep doing more. This is why you keep fighting. This is why you keep just, trying and trying harder. It's because you believe that you're not innately worthy of your goals and dreams. Your subconscious tells you, who am I to have all of this? And it sabotages everything. Block number five is struggle. You believe that it takes force, hustle, exhaustion, but struggle is resistance, and resistance is what repels what you want. Block number six is the inability to receive. If you have this block, you deflect compliments. Somebody says, "Oh, you look really nice today." It's like, "Oh, this whole thing." And you don't actually take it in. When somebody tries to do something nice for you or tries to give you something, you kind of almost push it away, or let me pick up the check. No, let me pick up the check, whatever it is. All right. So you feel guilty when good things start showing up for you, or maybe when you do actually start to succeed, you start to wonder, like, wow, where did this come from? How long is this going to last? So you have an inability to receive, and you are energetically closed off. And then finally, the seventh block, and there are more blocks, but these are some of the most common blocks that I've been hearing about lately. So block number seven is not embodying from your magnetic identity. You are trying to manifest from an old you instead of as the version of you who already has what you want. So all these blocks are why your manifestations are sluggish. They're slow. They're not, it has nothing to do with your techniques. You can do all the techniques you want till the cows come home. Nothing is going to change until you clear these blocks. Not your worthiness as a person, not because of not because manifestation doesn't work. It is because you are blocked. Okay. So I want to know which one of these blocks resonated with you the most. Go ahead and drop the number in the comments below, 1 through 7, if you were keeping track, and or if the word, whichever word just kind of stands out and that you remember. I would be really, really curious to know which one is your biggest block and which is the biggest issue in this whole community. So here's the breakthrough. Once you clear these blocks, manifestation becomes fast. And I mean really fast. Things that used to take months start happening in only days or weeks. Opportunities begin to appear out of nowhere. The right people show up, money flows, everything speeds up. Why? Because you are no longer in your own way. You're no longer broadcasting mixed signals or resistance or unworthiness. You're clear, you're aligned, you're open, and you are magnetic. And here's what most manifestation teachers don't tell you. You don't need more techniques. You just need to clear what's blocking the techniques you already know. So it's like cleaning a clogged drain. Once the blockage is removed, everything flows naturally. You don't need to force the water through, it just flows. That's what happens when you clear your manifestation blocks. Everything you've been asking for, it starts flowing to you easily, naturally, faster. I've seen this happen over and over and over again with my clients. Someone who's been stuck for years clears their worthiness block, and within weeks, they manifest a raise, a new client, a new relationship, more money, opportunities that they never even saw coming. Someone clears their need to control the how, and suddenly the perfect way shows up. Someone releases the struggle, and everything all of a sudden starts to feel easy. Clearing your blocks changes everything. So, if your manifestations have been feeling slow, and I know they are because you're still watching, it's not because you're doing anything wrong. It's not because you need any more techniques. It's because you are blocked, and it's not your fault. So once you clear these blocks, everything speeds up. That's the truth that most people never, unfortunately, get to figure out. So now I want to hear from you. Which block do you think has been slowing you down the most? Is it confusion? Is it unworthiness? Is it the need to control? Just go ahead and drop it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give this a thumbs up so that you never miss any of my videos, because I'm going to show you in many of these videos how to clear these blocks. And then listen, if you're serious about clearing these blocks and finally manifesting faster, I have something for you. I just created a 7-day faster manifestation challenge where we're going to clear all 7 of these blocks, one per day, using hypnosis, using visualization, using subconscious reprogramming. And it's completely free for you. It starts in a couple of days. We're doing this right inside my powerful manifestor mastermind community on School. This is where you're going to get a daily lesson. You're going to get the hypnosis session. You're going to get support from other manifestors who are doing this work right alongside you. So if you are tired, if you're so tired of manifesting slowly and you're ready to clear what's been getting in your way, go ahead and click the link right now in this description and join the challenge. Let's make 2026 your fastest manifesting year yet. And if you want to experience subconscious programming on your own right now, go ahead and download my Believe Hypnosis app. It's got over 1,000 guided hypnosis sessions, all designed to clear limiting beliefs, align your subconscious with your desires, and accelerate your manifestations. Whether you're working on abundance, confidence, love, or success, there is always a session for you. And the link is in the description below. Or if you want the guidance, you want to work with me, you want to work with members of the community and get live sessions, training, community, then join the 7-day Faster Manifestation Challenge right inside the Powerful Manifestor Mastermind. And you'll have this whole 7-day free trial to try out the whole 7-day challenge. And then you can decide if you're ready to master manifestation and take it to the next level. All right. So remember, your mind is the most powerful tool you have. When you clear the blocks that have been holding you back, when you align with your subconscious with your desires, when you step into your magnetic power, manifestation becomes effortless. You don't have to struggle. You don't have to force. You just have to clear what's in the way and allow yourself to receive. Everything you desire is already on its way to you. You just need to get out of your own way and let it in. You've got this. I believe in you. Now, let's go clear those blocks. Watch how fast things start moving. Once again, I'm Victoria Gallagher, the Law of Attraction hypnotist. Go clear these blocks, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.